Okay, this is the Yale that I received from Angelo. He said it had some spools in it. Said it's a real cool lock. So let's see if we can open it. Let's use this Peterson gem. We're going to use top of the keyway. A little bit on pin 5. Okay, there's pin 3, pin 2. A little bit on pin 1. Let's go to the back. A bit more on 5 and 4. Pin 2. Pin 1 giving us a little feedback, and it's open. Okay, I already removed the screw from the back, so we could get this opened up a little bit quicker, so we can see what kind of pins this lock has in it. Let's back it up a little. Up there, pin 5. Looks like a standard pin. Okay, that one popped out. I don't know what that is. Standard pin looks like. Can't really tell yet. Let's get all the pins out and then we'll look at it. Okay, it does have all 5 pins in the plug. They are all there and working. So let's take a look at those pins. Alright. Just a standard plug and a standard Bible. No one's been into it. Okay, let's take a close look at the pins. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, looks like a serrated type pin or a cut off screw. Okay, here this is. Okay, this has a master wafer in it on number 1. Number 2 is another serrated pin with a hole through one side, and it's another serrated pin. That's some funny looking serrated pins. I'm just wondering if they are cut off the end of a screw. You can get brass screws and like that, and it looks like this is maybe a homemade pin, key pin. Let's look at number 3 and 4. Another one of these serrated type screws. This is another serrated type pin. Okay, this one standard, and this is just a little standard pin. Okay, number 5. Both these are serrated, so don't really know what they are. Excuse me. So never seen those before. But anyway, they are type of serrated, even if they are made out of screws. May not be made out of screws, but they are. So this number 1 had a wafer in it for a master lock, I guess. Okay, that's what we have in this Yale. We do not have a key for it. Okay, Angelo, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again for watching.